So this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your window motor if it goes bad in a 97 through 99 Deville or anything similar. Pretty much the Eldorado is very similar, except obviously it's a coupe. So if you haven't already seen the video I made on removing the door panel, you should watch that first, unless you already know how to do that. And window motor is pretty simple. You got 3 nuts on these studs down here. They are 10 millimeter, and then you got the wire connector. So you just take that out, you take the nuts off, and then it's going to be kind of pressed on there with the gears being meshed. So once it's all apart, you're going to want to pry behind this motor to pry it off there. Might take a little bit of a wiggle or two there to get that off, but it's pretty simple to do.